Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Kushagra and today we are gonna be working on the part of our filtering table using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in the previous video we built this filtering table using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and we can apply whatever filter we want, and all the rows will be displayed based on that filter. So now in the second part we are not gonna do much. Our application is already built. Now we are gonna just improve our code base. So if you remember in the previous video, what we did was we copied this part of the code from the temp variable here to here and included it in the filter function while checking if the length is greater than 0, and we pasted it over here. But it's not a good good practice to duplicate the code, so it's better if we create another function and paste that code over there and reuse that function again and again. So that's why we wouldn't have to write this long code again and again. It's a good practice. So what we are gonna do now is we can create another function display, and inside that, if you remember, we were either using results or the table object. So there is a change in that. So what we can do is we can use a creator object, and then we can just copy this code from here to here, and we can remove we can we are gonna use iterator object over here instead of here, and we are also gonna rename the variable because the temp is already used above, like we have defined it in these functions. It's better to use another variable. So let's go ahead and define another thing. Let's say 2 maybe, like this. Let temp2 be this, and paste here. I'm just gonna save this and return temp2. So now what we have to do is basically comment all this from here to here, and I'm just gonna write temp equals to this, and here we have to pass results, and over here we can do it here. Comment this and equal play, and tables really need to be passed. Yeah, that's it, and we are gonna save our code and refresh it over here. I made some mistake. Okay, table. See, it's working perfectly fine, and yep, that's it for the video. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this video.